Sekta ya uthunduri guku bururi-ini ni ikoretwo igomeirwo ni wagi wa kigina undu uria ukoretwo ukihinga mitaratara ya uthunduri wa tabarira ngurani makiriria mathukuru-ini ma universities.
Students choir, be taking your position.
Akiaria kigomano-ini giki murugamiriri wa thukuru wa EGERTON niwe MBUNGE augite arutwo aingi aria mari uthunduri-ini nimekoraga hatika-ini nene kuona gutire kigina gia kuigana na anyiti itemi aria mahuraga njeki mitaratara ino makihuka.
This year is very unique due to the fact that we have come to the oldest institution of higher learning that is well known for agricultural sciences. And also the National Research Fund has been able to bring the farmers around so that they can be able to see the research that is going on and how we can be able to transfer the technology from the labs, from the fields, all the way to the farmers as well.
Mwandiki mukaru ministry-ini ya githomo ruhonge-ini rwa science, uthunduri na uthuthuria Professor Shaukat Abdulrazak augite uthunduri na uthuthuria ni ubatie gukinyanirio matura-ini niguo muingi ukahimbiria maumirira ma uthuthuria maria matafanitio ni ataramu ngurani.
At the moment, the universities are changing with that entrepreneurial mind as well. We have set up an academy of the vice chancellors that are coming together. They are sharing the ideas.
Mubunge wa gicigo bunge kia Baringo ya Rugongo niwe Joseph Makilap niranire gutigirira ati ni kwagĩa na kigina gia kuigana ya guteithia sekta-ini ya uthunduri na uthuthuria niguo gukura bururi ukombo-ini wa kwamukira uteithio kuma mabũrũri-ini ma nanja.
We are bringing Kenya intellectual property rights together with us as well. We are bringing KEBS as well. So all these government agencies will be able to enhance the commercialization of their products because we are encouraging people to patent these ideas and prototype. The goal is really to bridge the gap on food insecurity in this country.
Kigomano giki gitanyitwo kuhanika kwa ihinda ria kiumia kimwe itanya ria gukuruhania akenya aria kaingi moyaga ihinda kwamukira mogaruruku sekta-ini itiganite. Ngĩribotera ceceni ya Kameme TV kuma kaunti-ini ya NAIKURU. Nĩguo Wanjeri wa Kariuki.